Hello, this is Pam. Today I wanted to share the Spellbinders Small Die of the Month kits. I tried to get a video up in July and I just didn't have the time. I did do a couple videos and they were too long, and then I had other things going on, so this is July's kit. I haven't got August's kit yet, but when I get that one I will share that one also with you. But this is from Spellbinders, and I've been a Small Die of the Month kit club member for over a year, about a year and a half, going on 2 years. And this year they have changed their style a little bit of the dies, and they're so cute. So I wanted to try to do a video every month sharing them with you and make something with that kit. And then I'll show at the end a few of my recent favorite kits. But the ones that they've been coming out with the last few months are more like a paper piecing slash punch art style. So this July's kit made these cute little cats and dogs. And this is what the dies look like when you get them in the package. They're all stuck down on there, and then on the back it gives you a little bit of instructions on how to put them together, and they give you a sample of what kind of card that you can make with it. It does have words that I didn't use all of. I did use the besties, but it does have a forever sentiment on it as well. But they're so cute, and you can change up the colors of your animals to anything you want. You can use pattern paper. I mean, it goes on and on of what you could do with these little animals. But the cat and the dog's head are separate there. The bodies, it does share the same body, and the feet, they're both the same for both animals. And then some of these dies, they have multiple images on each. So like this one's got the nose, the tail, ears, the dog's muzzle, the little stubby tails. It does have little tiny dotty pieces that you can put little cheeks on, but I didn't want to put those on mine. I just left them as is. Like this is, I didn't use this one. There's a bone, a fish, that's the dog bowl. This one is multiple. I think one of those is their cheeks, but that's their eyes. Like I said, there's a collars and a leash that I didn't use. But it does come with the grass die. That's cool if you don't have a grass die. But these kits are, I believe, $12.50 shipped, and every month you get a different one. I don't know about international, what their shipping is, if it's any different. But for the price, I think they're a great value, because you get so many different images on there, and they're so fun to put together, the last few ones that they've been coming out. Now, I was going to do a video, like I said, I've done 2 already, and they were really long, where I actually put all these pieces together, but I'm not going to do that, because like I said, I was having issues with my phone connecting to my laptop, and I just got frustrated and just gave it up. But these are a couple other ones that I made, and then I have a bunch of little pieces there, because like I said, when these die cuts out multiples, so if you do them all in the same paper color, and then you'll have all them extras, so then you'll have enough extra pieces to make another one with, in different colors. So you all, you can just, like I said, mix and match and do all kinds of things. These 2 dies here from a different kit, which I'll show. And then when I put this together, I did die cut 2 different grass pieces. They're different colors, so a little bit of dimension there. You don't have to do that. And then I did put their heads on foam tape to pop them up a little bit. I think that looks a little bit better, that their head's forward. You can see, like these 2 I didn't put together or glue their heads on. You absolutely can. But a tool that I found that I needed like a long time ago because I used to do a lot of punch art, and I could have used one of these. Multiple manufacturers make these little putty sticks. The end of that's got putty. That completely screws off. But you put that down on there, and then the more you turn, the more putty comes out. And I don't put a whole lot on the ends of mine. But this is great for all of these little tiny pieces. You can pick that piece up on the end of the stick, and then you can put your glue on it or on the paper and then put it down. Now this one doesn't release, so when you adhere it to something, you do need something else. You can use your finger, you can use a little piercer tool to hold that in place. This particular one is from, I think, Silhouette. It does have a little chisel end, which you can move things around with also. But this is a cool tool to have with this type of dies where you have all those little pieces, because you can put those little eyes and nose in their little feet even, or different die. So this is cool. But I wanted to show you a few of the other sets that have come out recently that are my favorites. I'll show this. The little bird and the leaf, I believe, are from two separate kits. I could find them. There's the bird, and there's the leaf. So this leaf right there is that one. This is from April's kit, and I do have a card that I made with this one. Look at all those flower layers in there, and it does say hello word, but this is a card that I made with all of those, or not all of them, but two of the flower layers, and there's multiple different color options that you can make your flowers with. But that's what those look like. And then the leaves are layered also. There's two dies for the leaves, but they're really pretty. That's that kit, but this is the leaf that I used on that. And then the bird come from this kit. This is August of last year. Now this is what their kits used to look like, and this year they've been looking like this. So they used to look like this, and then all your dies were in this little baggie. And every one does have still on the back the little directions and samples using that die set. But this is the bird from that. And a couple other ones I'll share real quick that are my favorite ones. This is from November last year. It's got a deer, and I don't have a card made with this set because I have sent them out at Christmas time. I did make them. And then on the back is some samples, but that deer is really pretty. And I didn't have that pickup stick to use on that die set, and it's really thin, the deer outline, if you want to put the outline on it. This set is really cool too. This is from February of this year, and it has this big die that you can use as a border on your card, or just a front, on the front element. But I actually cut two, and I made a gatefold card. So I cut two of these out, and I scored it down the middle so it opened that way. And that card I don't have because I gave it to my mom for Mother's Day. This one's got some greetings on it as well. This one is really cute. Probably my favorite from this year. This is May's of this year, and it makes a little Vespa, and I do have a card made with that one. I made mine pink. And all these little pieces in here, you can make them different colors. You can leave them out. You can put this piece, the little wheel cover on it, or not. It's separate, and the little seat's separate. It's so cute. I want to make more of those with different colors. This one does have balloons on it, and it says well, it's got, I don't know how to pronounce that, Sayo, I don't know how, but it says enjoy in English. This one I haven't gotten to play with yet. It is a layering set, kaleidoscope. It's really cool. You cut 3 different colors of cardstock, and it makes a layered effect to all of these images. It's really cool. Spellbinders does have a YouTube channel you can check out, and they do, every month a new die set comes out, they do show a quick video on how to kind of put them together in a project to make. This one's neat. I haven't used it yet. I like that it has the separate scallop circle, and then there is a separate circle die here. So you don't just get, you know, images. You get other things that you can use, and these all coordinate together. They seem to be sized to go together. This one's adorable. Haven't used it yet at all. This one's from March of this year, and there's 2 bunnies. I think it says happy or be happy, and it has all kinds of cute little leaves, and there's carrots and flowers, all kinds of cute elements on this one. And again, it does have the directions on the back, or samples of what you can do with the set. And then this one's really cute too. It totally goes with these little cat and dog die sets. This one's called First Crush. It's from January of this year, and they make little people, and it does have a balloon, but it makes a boy or a girl. They use the same head, body, shirts. The difference is the hair. So you can make boy hair with that, girl hair. There's ponytails, braids. There's a little skirt. They both share the same arms. And like I said, on the back, then it does show samples there. There's the boy and the girl. And I did make one. She's not on a card or anything, because of course I had to make something with that. But there's the size of her. You can probably make her shorter if you want. I made her skirt really long, so you could make that image a little smaller, but they do fit on the front of a card really good. But what I like about the dolls is that they are perfectly sized to go with these animals. And the animal set does come with a leash, so you could die cut the leash and put it in a collar, because I didn't put collars on mine. But they are perfectly sized to go together. How cute. I love these 2. I'm going to sooner or later make a card and put them 2 on there. But yeah, that's that set. And the perk about getting on the Small Die of the Month kits is you can buy past ones, as long as they're not sold out. So whenever you sign up, you can purchase the current months, and then you can go back and purchase the other ones. And you can purchase the card kits, the large die of the months. They have a new set. I can't remember what they're called, but they have those you can purchase. They have a foil system kit club. So I just wanted to share to get the word out. If no one has seen the Spellbinders monthly kits, they really are a good value. And on your anniversary date, they also send you a free gift. Mine was up last November, and I got a stamp set. So this is the stamp set that they gave me on my anniversary. And it did come with a little sample of what you can do with the stamps. And that, see, thanks for being a member. Here's your free gift. So that's cool. They gave me a free stamp set. And I will share that I did use glue pens for these. I was going to share that in the original video, and I said it was a little long. You can use multi-glue, liquid glue. Here's a liquid a glue pen. Whatever it is that you're most comfortable using. I like this one the best. This is a Zig. It's like a ballpoint pen, but it's glue. This is my favorite one to use. Now, unlike the larger pieces, I use the multi-glue because I use these on my cards all the time. That's the most common glue that I use. But, like I said, whenever you sign up is when pretty much you'll get your kits. So when I signed up, it was close to the 1st of the month. It was about the 4th or the 5th or something like that. So that's when your orders will start to ship. So mine get to me between the 12th and the 15th every month. So if you sign up at the end of the month, that's when you get your kits. If you sign up the 1st of the month, that's when you get yours. And they're billed when they ship them out. So that's another thing to keep in mind. But I wanted just to share those with my followers. If you haven't heard of the Spellbinders die kits, now they are the kit of the month, dies of the month, kits of the month. They have loads of other beautiful dies. I've always thought that Spellbinders had the most beautiful intricate dies. There's just loads and loads and loads. So go to Spellbinders and check those kits out. You won't be disappointed. Now there are a few that I use and maybe not use all the time. Maybe for certain special occasions like birthdays or anniversaries or things like that. But this August's kit is a little backpack that's so cute, and the little flap, you can make a piece that folds up and has a place for a greeting. You can, if you sign up to be a Kit of the Month member, that's the one that you will get. And whenever I get mine, I will make a video with something that I made with that one. So, in the meantime, this is the only one that I have right now. So go to Spellbinders and check those small die, large die card kits of the month. It's a great value, and I think you'll love them. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.